Here with the 2006 Jeep Commander, and this is a quick reference video for replacing the rear sway bar bushings and end links, so let's get started. You want to begin by chalking the front wheels, and I'm using the rear differential as a jacking point to lift the entire rear end off the ground. You'll need a 19mm socket to remove the lug nuts, and once the wheel is out of the way, we have easy access to our sway bar link. But on the driver's side, the sway bar bushing is in a tight spot held in place with two fasteners. You'll need a 5/8 or a 16mm wrench for removal. The new sway bar bushings are Moog part number K201638, and installation is reversal removal. So with the sway bar bushing out of the way, let's get started on the end links. You'll need an 18mm wrench to remove the bottom nut, and if it spins on you, you'll need to hold the ball stud with the 8mm wrench or socket. You'll need an 18mm socket to remove the bolt from the top. Installation is reversal removal, and if the ball stud spins on you, you'll have to hold this nut still with the 18mm wrench. And once the driver's side is done, you do the passenger side the exact same way. It's a little easier because you have enough room to swing an impact wrench.